Hello and welcome to Taste Buds. Apart from delicious food, we also ask you to maintain a healthy diet. If you are looking to boost up your immune system in the situation of the outbreak of COVID-19, then you are probably at the right place. Feeding your body certain foods may help keep your immune system strong. If you are looking for ways to prevent colds, the flu, and other infections, your first step should be a visit to your local grocery shop. Plan your meals and include these 10 powerful immune system boosters. Number 1. Citrus fruits. Most people turn straight to vitamin C after they have caught a cold. That's because it helps build your immune system. Vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells, which are key to fighting infections. Almost all citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. With such a variety to choose from, it's easy to add a squeeze of this vitamin to any meal. Because your body doesn't produce or store it, you need daily vitamin C for continued health. The recommended daily amount for most adults is 75 mg for women, 90 mg for men. Number 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals. Packed with vitamin A, C and E as well as fibers and many other antioxidants, broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can put on your plate. The key to keeping its power intact is to cook it as little as possible, or better yet not at all. Research has shown that steaming is the best way to keep your nutrients in the food. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic is found in almost every cuisine in the world. It adds a little zing to the food and it's a must-have for your health. Early civilizations recognized its value in fighting infections. Garlic may also slow down hardening of the arteries. Garlic's immune boosting properties seem to come from a heavy concentration of sulfur containing compounds such as allicin. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger is another ingredient many turn to after getting sick. Ginger may help decrease inflammation, which can help reduce a sore throat and inflammatory illness. Ginger may help with nausea as well. While it's used in many sweet desserts, ginger packs some heat in form of gingerol, a relative of capsaicin. Ginger may also decrease chronic pain and might even possess cholesterol-lowering properties. Number 5. Spinach. Spinach made to our list is not just because it's rich in vitamin C, it's also packed with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, which may both increase the infection-fighting abilities of our immune system. Similar to broccoli, spinach is healthiest when it's cooked as little as possible so that it retains its nutrients. However, light cooking makes it easier to absorb the vitamin A and also other nutrients to be released from oxalic acid and anti-nutrient. Number 6. Yogurt. Look for yogurts that have the phrase live and active cultures printed on the label, like Greek yogurt. These cultures may stimulate your immune system to help fight diseases. Try to get plain yogurts rather than the kind that are flavored and loaded with sugar. You can sweeten plain yogurt yourself with healthy fruits and drizzle of honey instead. Yogurts can also be a great source of vitamin D, so try to select brands fortified with this vitamin. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and is thought to boost our body's natural defense against the diseases. Number 7. Almonds. When it comes to preventing and fighting off colds, vitamin E tends to take a backseat to vitamin C. However, this powerful antioxidant is key to a healthy immune system. It is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means it requires the presence of fat to be absorbed properly. Nuts such as almonds are packed with vitamin and also have healthy fats. Adults only need about 15 mg of vitamin E each day. A half cup serving of almonds, which is about 46 whole shelled almonds, provides around 100% of the recommended daily amount. Number 8. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are full of nutrients including phosphorus, magnesium and vitamin B6 and E. Vitamin E is important in regulating and maintaining immune system function. Other foods with high amounts of vitamin E includes avocados and dark leafy greens. Sunflower seeds are also incredibly high in selenium. Just 1 ounce contains nearly half the selenium that the average adult needs daily. A variety of studies, mostly performed on animals, have looked at its potential to combat viral infections such as swine flu, H1N1. Number 9. Green tea. Both green and black teas are packed with flavonoids, a type of antioxidant, where green tea really excels in its level of EGCG, another powerful antioxidant. In studies, EGCG has been shown to enhance immune function. The fermentation process black tea goes though destroys a lot of EGCG. Green tea, on the other hand, is steamed and not fermented, so the EGCG gets preserved. Green tea is also a good source of amino acids. L-theanine. L-theanine may aid in the production of germ-fighting compounds in your cell. And finally, number 10, papaya. Papaya is another fruit loaded with vitamin C. You can find double the daily recommended amount of vitamin C in a single medium fruit. Papaya also have a digestive enzyme called papain that has anti-inflammatory effects. Papaya have decent amount of potassium, magnesium and folate, all of which are beneficial to your overall health. That completes the list of 10 powerful immune system boosters that we recommend to all. Hope all of you will remain safe and sound. Most importantly, keep your tummy satisfied and post your beautiful food experiences in our group. Thank you.